Water, essential to life and a wellspring of innovation. At Laxmo Water Pump Tools and Machinery segment, we recognize the true value of water. Founded in 2010, Laxmo Pumps and Technology emerged with a vision to transform the pumps, motors, and tools manufacturing industry. Efficient, durable, and reliable. At Laxmo Pump, our mission is clear: to be the premier choice for pump and motor manufacturing. We strive to exceed expectations by delivering top-notch, customizable products that enhance operational efficiency. We are committed to sustainability, utilizing eco-friendly materials and practices to minimize our environmental impact. Our journey is defined by a relentless pursuit of perfection. Through years of investment in cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship, we create products that not only meet but exceed the highest standards. Our exceptional service ensures each project is completed on time. We are setting high ethical standards to maintain our position as industry leader. Transform the world of pump and motor manufacturing. Follow us, and together, let's create a sustainable future.